इला कैपेसिटी ऑफ पैरेलल कैपेसिटर ताले C एतरे पाउचे हमें C इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू D C इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू D ताले सेपरेशन बढ़िले कैपेसिटी कम कमिबो if the separation decrease then the capacity of the system increased. Next देखा effect of a dielectric effect of dielectric effect of a dielectric. Consider a dielectric slab having thickness T inserted in between the two plates. Now the net gap between the two plates is D minus T. We know the capacity C equal to epsilon 0 A divided by D. So D is the separation. What is the net effective separation between the two plates? Net effective separation is C is equal to epsilon 0 A divided by D minus T. It is the net effective separation between the two plates. ताने फर्स्ट जो स्लैब नथिला जो कैपेसिटी ला एबे सेपरेशन आहुरी कमी गला ताले का सेपरेशन कमी गला तो कैपेसिटी कोन हो बढ़िबो ताने C proportional to 1 by D minus T means the capacity of the system increases. If a dielectric slab introduced in between the two plates, the capacity of the system increased. It is the effect of dielectric. Dielectric जब introduce करिबा ताले system रो capacity कोन हो बढ़ी जीवो काहे कि ता भीतर सेपरेशन कमी गला सेपरेशन कमी गले कैपेसिटी कोन होची बढ़िबो. एबे देखिबा एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन ए कैपेसिटर. Energy stored in a capacitor. Energy stored in a capacitor. So energy stored capacitor कौन करती? The main function or main use of capacitor is store electrical energy. So energy stored in a capacitor.
मेटा पॉज कर दे सर.
हां ठीक है. हला करिवा energy stored in a capacitor. With the amount of energy stored in a capacitor in the form of potential energy. If Q is the charge and V be the potential difference, then C is equal to Q by V. This implies V is equal to Q by C. If dQ with a small amount of charge stored, then dW is equal to V dQ. If dQ with a small amount of charge stored, then dW is equal to V dQ. So this is equal to, so dW is equal to Q by C dQ. So integrating both sides. Now dW equal to Q by C dQ. 0 to W. So W equal to 1 by C Q dQ. So this is equal to 1 by C Q square by 2. 1 by C Q square by 2. Now W is equal to 1 by 2C Q square minus 0. So W is equal to Q square by 2C. This is the energy stored in a capacitor. Q square by 2C. But Q is equal to CV. So W is equal to C square V square divided by 2C square. That is equal to half CV square. Another formula, W is equal to half CV square. Formula number 1 is formula number 2. Formula number 3 है W is equal to देखिए but C is equal to Q by V. So W is equal to half C है Q by V into V square V. That is equal to half QV. The तीनों formula number 1 W is equal to half CV square, that is equal to half QV, that is equal to half Q square by C. This is the energy stored in a capacitor. Graphically, the area under QV graph what is the area under QV graph? Area under QV graph is a triangle OAB. So area is equal to half AB into OB. That is equal to half A beta whole CQ half QV. Area is equal to half QV, that is equal to work done. So area under QV graph is the work done by energy stored. The slope of QV graph is capacitance, but the area under QV graph represents energy stored or work done. This is the energy stored in a capacitor. The question what is so that energy stored in series combination must be equal to the energy stored in parallel combination. Energy stored in series must be equal to energy stored in parallel. The total capacity is maximum in parallel, but energy stored series equal to parallel. When C1, C2 and C3 connected in the series, then 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. We know W is equal to Q square by W series Q square by 2C. So this is equal to Q square by 2. 1 by C tau C 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. So W series equal to Q square by 2C1 plus q square by 2c2 plus q square by 2c3. Then W series is equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3. The total work done in series W series है W1 plus W2 plus W3. तीनटा कैपेसिटर जो सीरीज रे कनेक्शन करिवा तले आमे जानते नेट कैपेसिटी केते ना 1/c 1/c 1 1/c 2 तो W सीरीज सूत्र की सूत्र है ये 1/c जगह 1/c 1 1/c 2 1/c ब्रैकेट खोल देले लिखा है q स्क्वायर बाय 2c1 q स्क्वायर बाय 2c2 q स्क्वायर बाय 2c3 तो W सीरीज है W1 plus W2 plus W3. देखिए भाई ये एनर्जी स्टोरी पैरेलल रे केते होची एटा होई टोटल एनर्जी सीरीज W इक्वल टू W एबे देखिबा पैरेलल W पैरेलल if C1 C2 C3 three capacitors are connected in parallel C equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 তাহলে we know W parallel বাহার করিবা half C b square that is equal to half b square C জায়গায় করিবা C1 plus C2 plus C3. So this is equal to half C1 b square plus half C2 b square plus half C3 b square. So W parallel equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3. Then W work done series is equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3. Then work done series equal to work done in parallel. So W parallel is equal to W series proved. Then series method रे जति के एनर्जी स्टोर हबो parallel रे मध्य सेति बीटा समान series रे जहा रहितला parallel मध्य सेया था. So energy stored in series must be equal to the energy stored in parallel combination. Energy stored in series must be equal to the energy stored in parallel. Now come to the energy density of the capacitor. Energy density of the capacitor. So energy density U is equal to energy stored for unit volume. Energy density of the capacitor है energy stored for unit volume. So U is equal to W by V. So this is equal to W देखिबा half CV square volume होची area into V. Volume कहला के area into V. So this is equal to half C होची epsilon 0 A divided by D V square divided by dt. ये cancel. So this is equal to half epsilon 0 V square by V square. So that is equal to half epsilon 0 V square. So V by d का माना V by d होची E संगे समान. इराला वेलोसिटी ग्रेडियंट पोटेंशियल ग्रेडियंट V by d इक्वल तो हाफ epsilon 0 into V square. तो एनर्जी डेंसिटी बाहरला हमरा केते half epsilon 0 E square. This is the energy density of a capacitor. three capacitors connected. What is the total capacitance between A and B? Now 5 farad and 5 farad are parallel. I mean that parallel is C0, C1 plus C2. Now the circuit is yela 10 farad, yela 5 parallel, yela 10 farad. The total capacity C is equal to 10 of 10 which series. So 1 by C is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 2 by 10, 1 by 5. So C is equal to 5 farad. C is equal to 5 farad. तो एटा जेतु पैरेलल अछि यार टोटल केते 5 5 10 हेला ये सहित ये कोन अछि सीरीज ये ला सीरीज ये 10 ला सीरीज ए बीटा रो वेट होछि 10 तो 10 और 10 पैरेलल ए सीरीज सीरीज का कनेक्शन सूत्र होछि 1 by c is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 2 नेट कैपेसिटी होछि 5 farad how the circuit देखिबा what is the total capacity between A and B? Now, total circuit going through at A, E point divide rate, E add a point. E charge constantly like the target series connection, series 10 और 10 series हवा 10 और 10 series में total कितना होची? Now 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 2 by 10 is equal to 1 by 5, C is equal to 5. So A दिशा का नेट होची कितने? 5 farad. तो A बीटा को सॉल्व करले हमरा टोटल है ना 5 टोटल सर्किट ये बन दियो ये होची 5 farad से A बीटा में सीरीज अछि 20 20 सीरीज the सीरीज रहउची 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20 is equal to 2 by 20 कथि वाला 1 by 10 तो C is equal to 10 मतलब A बीटा रो नेट है कितने 10 A बीटा रो नेट होची 10 तले बता है 10 और 5 बीटा माला पैरेलल पैरेलल टोटल के तो इसी जो सी जो से प्लस तो टोटल कैपेसिटी सी जो 10 plus 5 दे रहा है 15 farad तो ये ना होची सर्किट सॉल्यूशन एलिमेंट